Toenail fungus. Oh my goodness, this is a very, very popular topic here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to delve into some active wear stocking socks that you can wear that will help prevent and eliminate the environment for bacteria to grow in your shoe wear, as well as in and under your toenail bed. Stay tuned for this informative healing video. If you suffer from toenail fungus, it can be both unsightly and uncomfortable, especially when you are repeatedly wearing the same shoe wear and you might work in an environment where you've got to wear boots or stockings and shoes. And I'm going to share with you some solutions because so many of you have written to me who've watched these videos. Check those out if you haven't watched them. There's actually a toenail fungus playlist as well that you can check out. A link will be right up there. In today's video, I want to share with you some solutions, particularly some socks, some stockings, some items that incorporate some pretty powerful antimicrobial bacterial fighting power that you can add into your daily wear regimen, as well as help you combat and eliminate the environment in your shoes that is harboring and festering and growing bacteria. I know that sounds really gross, and it is. There's pathogens in your shoe wear and underneath your toenail bed it's just this cycle. So I know a lot of you are working my protocols, and I'll throw those up right there. If you're interested, I have some downloadable protocols that you can grab that will help you in your healing process. More importantly, we're going to take it a step further. So many of you are working that protocol. You are cleaning your shoe wear. You've changed a lot of different things in your environment, but many of you might still be dealing with just a little bit of toenail fungus, or some of you are coming all new to this video. And welcome. I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I didn't introduce myself before. I'm a naturopathic physician. I approach healing and wellness from a natural perspective. And in the toenail fungus world, it really is multi-tiered. We have to heal your body inside. This is gut digestive in its relation. It's immuno-related. Then we also need to nurture and support the nail bed. The protocol I mentioned earlier is very much hinged and focused around healing the inside of your body and the toenail bed, the outside. But I want to take it a step further. What you're wearing in your fitness shoes, your socks, these are called Silver Sole Crew Socks, and I sell all of these online. I can provide links down below. This video is actually brought to us by Juzo. They are one of my favorite product brands when it comes to compression therapy, as well as this amazing technology. They have a silver sole technology they embed and weave in here in the United States. I've seen firsthand how Juzo creates all of the items I'm going to be talking about with you today. This particular sock is a really good solution. Now, this is a female sock. We have men's versions as well. All you ladies that are thrivers, survivors, and want to get inspired, this will be on my website. I'll include a special link. I'm going to give you a discount code. The sock is cotton in its orientation. There is some mild compression that will be helpful. And more importantly, it has a channeled toe seam. This particular toe seam minimizes the potential for irritation, which is great because it cuts down on the kind of rubbing and abrasiveness that maybe your socks have, like blisters. I always get blisters on my ankles and it's a pain in the butt. Well, that creates an environment where you have injury in maybe your toenail bed, on the side of your foot. Any type of injury causes an immune response, and it also creates a weakened skin lining that now is no longer protecting you from the bacteria that is being harbored in your shoes. The technology that I really love that Juzo has in this sock, and you can see here in real specific detail, it's called X-Static technology. The sole is knitted with this X-Static silver for odor reduction and antimicrobial protection. It specifically protects the product from microbial growth. This is fantastic. What this means is when you are working out, running, exercising, walking, doing all your favorite sporting events, and just being active every day in the evenings and on the weekends, these socks are going to protect both your toes as well as your shoes from bacteria harboring itself. Now, I will tell you a little bit more about silver specifically. Silver, like colloidal silver, silver spoons, that old time saying where somebody had a silver spoon in their mouth. Well, individuals that had more money way back in the olden days would eat off of silver plates, silver cups, silver spoons, knives, and forks because it was antimicrobial. It kept them healthy. So advance that to now, and we have silver threading, and that's what the ecstatic technology is in this Juzo sock. They have it in all of these products I'm going to recommend and highlight for you today. Next up is the men's sock, and this is great for all of you men who have written to me, and I'll throw up some of your comments. So you're working in work boots or need extra padding and extra oomph for your everyday activity. What I love about these socks, they're really, really thick, and there is compression in it. But this part here, it's thicker. It's seriously, when I feel this, I don't know if you can tell, but when I feel this and then I feel this, oh my gosh, there's a lot more to the sock because there's extra threading. And it covers from where your toenails would end all the way down the bottom, and it covers your heels. So let's say maybe you have some blisters or you have wounds or you're a hiker, and I know many of you are hikers and sports enthusiasts, outdoor enthusiasts. Even if you don't have toenail fungus and you're in a prevention phase, or you just want to keep your feet healthy and you're going on long expeditions, these socks are great for that. I wish we would have had these on my Himalayan hike. Many of you might not know this, but after my time in undergrad, I spent a year abroad teaching English in Japan, Tokyo, and then I traveled all around Southeastern Asia. One of the travels was a full month spent in Nepal hiking the Everest trek. Had Juzo had the ecstatic technology, I would have been wearing all of these socks on my trips because I definitely did have some toenail bed damage, and that silver keeps infections at bay. It is antimicrobial. So the next staging for many of you who might have mild lymphedema, edema, vascular insufficiency really is well supported by this. This is the Juzo Soft Compress stocking, and this happens to be a knee-high stocking. Again, I sell these in my store, so you can grab a link down below. These happen to be just like your regular Juzo soft stocking. The only difference is they have the added silver element, and it does give you a little bit more compression on the bottom. It covers the bottom of your foot and then the entire tip, basically where your toes are going to be positioned in the stocking. This is really, again, good for any of the individuals that are dealing with any type of toenail fungus. For any of you ladies who are wearing stockings and you want to fight toenail fungus, this is a good alternative. They have these even up to thighs. So there's a lot of different options in terms of the silver. Next up is the Juzo Silver Compression Stocking line. This is a 20 to 30 mm. That's basically the compression of it. This has the ecstatic 99% pure silver thread throughout the whole entire stocking, with extra reinforcements at the toe and the heel. See the heel? There's a little bit more silver. You're gonna see that at the toe. This I love. I love this for any of you dealing with full-fledged vascular insufficiency. I love it for any of you who might be dealing with cellulitis. Recurrence of cellulitis is very common. I love to use silver in everything. Silver soap, silver, colloidal silver internally, topically. I love to use silver in my compression gear to combat your active cellulitis and to minimize that recurrence. Clinically speaking, friends, these stockings, this Juzo Silver line, is your best friend in terms of combating cellulitis and also addressing wound care. If you have any abrasions, any even leaking, seeping wounds, which is very common in different phases of lymphedema, that is a really, really good solution. So there you have it. These are 4 really powerful options in your combating toenail fungus that you can wear on the daily. There's a lot of different options for men and women, and it covers a large range of physical activity as well. So I hope that you'll consider grabbing one of these. I'll include some product links down below. These are all coming out of our store. We ship all of these products direct to you. Juzo will produce them and they're coming right off the line to you. So I'm really excited because these will be hot off the presses for any of you who do consider purchasing these items. So if you have any questions about compression stocking, silver lined compression or socks, or wound care as it relates to toenail fungus, let me know down below. If you enjoy this video and want more topics like this, it's helpful for me to know how I can answer more of your questions. Thanks for tuning in, friends. I'll see you on our next video.